Hi everyone, this is Prashant from Skill Boost Station and welcome back. So imagine having an AI assistant that writes your email, create presentations, summarize your Excel data, and even prepares your meeting notes all within seconds. That's exactly what Copilot is. Your AI sidekick for smarter work. So we can say like work smarter, not harder with the help of Copilot. So let's understand what is Copilot. So, Copilot is an AI powered assistant designed to help you work smarter and faster. It acts like your digital sidekick, helping you save time, boost productivity, and simplify repetitive tasks. Also, Copilot works directly with Microsoft 365 apps such as Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Word, which means which means the tools you already using every day become smarter with AI assistance. So if your organization have give the access to Copilot to read your Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, in that case you can use it very effectively. I'll make you understand in upcoming videos. I mean upcoming slides. So let's move to the next slide. So next slide is real life use of Copilot. How we can use in our real life, right? For example, let's take an example of Outlook emails. Need to write a professional email. Copilot can draft clear and professional replies within second. You want to change the tone. For example, you are sending any emails to your friends, you can change the tone. You can just write some funny email. It will redraft in funny email within seconds, right? You want some other format, you want some kind of image based on the content which you are sending. It will give you image also to put in your email. Another example of advanced Excel or Excel. In Excel, Copilot can analyze, identify trend, and create easy to understand summary instantly. You just need to put the raw data. It will give you the trend. It will summarize the Excel, what is this Excel is talking about, right? Similarly with PowerPoint, just give an idea and Copilot can generate presentation slides and ready to use content with your design suggestions. If you don't like it, just ask to re-prepare it. It will automatically redraft it. Similarly, the most important meetings. You are in meeting, you are asking someone to attend the you are asking to note the minutes. It's very difficult sometimes, but Copilot can create meeting summaries, even action plans, so you never miss any important detail. So this is possible with the help of Copilot, right? So moving ahead to the next slide, how Copilot works. Now the big question is how Copilot does actually work. So basically Copilot is trained on massive amount of data from books, websites, and documents. It learns language pattern and relationships, somewhat similar to how human learns from experience. But here is something important to understand. Copilot does not think like a human. Instead, it predicts the most relevant and helpful response based on the patterns and probabilities. That is why it can generate fast, accurate, and natural sounding answers. You got it? Okay, let's move to the next slide. How Copilot understand you? How does it understand you? Right? It predicts the most, or you can say that it predicts the best word or sentences to make responses feel natural and meaningful. It can also understand different tones, whether your message is formal, casually friendly or professional, make you which I just told few minutes back. And also, with your permission, Copilot can use your files, emails, and conversation to provide more relevant and personalized answers. So for example, if your organization has give the access to Copilot to read your Outlook, chat, Teams, or your files, it can actually it can actually give you the best answers. How? So for example, you wanted to search some email, or you are not able to do, you just forget, so you can give some points to the Copilot and ask to search such email. It will go to your Outlook, it will search that email, and it will give it to you. Also, not only it will give you the email, it will summarize also what was that, what was there in that email, it will summarize. Similarly, in your chatting or Teams message. So for example, you had some discussion with someone a month ago, and you ask your Copilot to summarize those discussions. It will give you the summary. I hope you got it, and the importance of Copilot. Moving ahead, so what is the simple analogy? So simple analogy to understand Copilot better. You probably notice how your smartphone predict the next word while typing. You must have seen while you're typing somewhere something in on your WhatsApp or maybe on Teams chat. Copilot also work in similar way. But instead of suggesting just a few words, Copilot can generate complete paragraphs, emails, reports, and presentations. It can read drafts also. If you don't like it, you ask to type in different way, it will give you the another version, right? And most importantly, you will always control the Copilot. It will not do anything without your permission. It will just give you the suggestion. Once you allow, it will give you another suggestion, but it will not do anything without your permission. So Copilot can give suggestions, but the final decision is always yours. Moving ahead. Okay, so next slide says reality plus future of AI. Now let's talk about the reality and future of AI. The reality is that AI tool like Copilot or ChatGPT are already transforming the workplace around the world. Today, today's companies are using AI to work faster, improve productivity, and automate repetitive tasks. But the future is going to be more exciting. In coming years, AI will attend meetings, generate reports automatically, provide personalized learning, and help business make smarter decisions. But remember one thing, AI is not here to replace humans. AI will empower the people who know how to use it effectively. Like few years back, we started working on computers. So the future belongs to the people who learn AI early. All right. So let's move to the conclusion now. So today we learned what Copilot is, how it works, how it understands you, and how it helps in real life. In simple words, we can say Copilot is smart AI assistant that helps you work faster, smarter, and more productivity. And this is just a beginning. The future of AI has already started, and the people who learn it today will stay ahead tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe this video, and also you can share this video to your friends who wanted to learn AI. Also, apart from that, I make videos on Excel, Power BI, SQL, VBA, AI, Copilot, and ChatGPT. If you wanted to learn anything from these tools, you can subscribe this channel, you can keep following, and you can follow me on Insta also. So so definitely you will learn. I will make videos in Hindi and English, both the language. Thank you for watching.